Hey, what's up guys, Bodhi here and welcome to another video. Today's video we're going to dive into how to set up your Teespring store on Instagram, so how to get all set up, and then how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, which you'll also set up. So I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I've been getting a lot of positive comments, so make sure you give the videos a like, make sure you hit subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. There's been quite a few people with questions. I've been answering all the questions, so make sure to do that. And yeah, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so now we're going to go and set up an Instagram account, and also I'll show you guys how to link that to your Facebook page, and also how to make it a business account, so business page on Instagram. So as you guys know that are following along, Love Pup Club is the one that I've started, and I've been pushing traffic towards my shirts, and I've made some sales, and been designing more shirts and getting more sales. So it's been pretty interesting so far, and I'll keeping you guys updated and show you how to do everything. So what you're going to see here is that you've got my account, and then if you don't have your account, all you've got to do is go up here and go create new account down the bottom there. And so then you would log in or create your new account there. Sorry, there's heaps of loud birds outside. I'll just close this door. So then you would create your new account or log in. And then you'll have this. What I've already got set up is a business profile. If you want to do that, all you have to do is go to settings up the top there. So to get into this, I went top right corner, those three lines. Then I went settings. And then if you go down to account, and then it says switch to personal account because I'm already a business account, but you would just hit to switch to a business account. It'll either be in here or somewhere else. It depends when you watch this video. Things do get updated a lot. So in a business account, people can contact you with the email, as you can see just there. And you have options for seeing all your data and stuff like that. It's just a lot better. So you want to switch to a business account. And then one of the other things that I wanted to show you here is if we go into settings again, and then we go, what am I looking for here? Account, and there should be, linked accounts. So then this is how you can link to your Facebook account. So what you'll do is build a Facebook page, and then you will link to that account from this account. And it's very easy. You just click this and then share to that page. And I can unlink it there, as you can see, or I can just link to, you would just search for the page that you're after, and then it links and sometimes makes you log in and just make sure that you're all good to link those accounts up. So that's very easy. Now, if we were to pop over to Facebook, and let's say we're going to go, so I've just gone pages. I obviously have a lot of pages. Top left there, you would go create and just go get started. Then category, let's say clothing brand, clothing shop. That'll do. And then you can have it as whatever you want here. So product or service. I would probably just leave it as clothing shop. That'll be fine. Just go done and then go next. What do you want to name your page? So I'm going to go with Pup Club. I've been calling my page so far. You want this name and your Instagram name to be the same, obviously. So do a bit of research and make sure that you get the same things. Do you want to add an address? This helps people find and visit the location of Pup Club. I don't want to add an address for now, so I'll just click that. And then add images to this page, but for now we'll just click done. Set this page. What have I done here? Add images to the page. Alright, so we'll just quickly put my dog as a photo, because obviously it wants a photo on there. There we go. And now it'll start letting me set up the page. So that is how easy it is to create a page on Facebook. It's super simple. And now you would go through and fill out all the other stuff in the page. So you want to put a cover photo, put an about me, have a contact, things like that before the account is considered to be live. but it's that easy to set up a page. And then, like I said, you would just go back to your Instagram and go to linked accounts there, and then search for that account as your Facebook page, and then you'll be able to link the two and post on your Instagram and click share your post to Facebook, and it'll share straight to the Facebook page as well. So any post you do on Instagram, you'll be able to link straight to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a like and make sure you hit subscribe.